Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you some things that I have created with my In Love Art Shop dies. Now, this company reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in trying some of their products, and these are the dies that I chose. So this one is a little pocket. This one is rolled flowers, bows, the mini heart album, and memory decks. So I'm going to show you all the different things that I have started to create with these already. So we'll start with this one first. It's a really cute little pocket with note card inside. And I really would recommend using a double-sided paper if you have it. I wanted to make Sweet Story collection ones, but it looks way better if you have a double-sided paper because I really like a nice pattern on the inside. It doesn't really matter that much here because you've got the note card that's sitting inside here, this little tag, and it looks quite cute even with the white there. But basically, you get a little set that you can decorate, and I used the bow die that I also got from them to create these little bows. Now, the bows have an inside middle piece there, but I often find that I end up covering up the bows. So here's two different examples of what the two bow shapes look like. So one's sort of off centered and one is more a straight symmetrical one. And then I've just added some little pearl centers in the middle there, and they turned out really, really cute. It's awesome. You just top your little tag with a ribbon, and I can show you all the ones that I have created here. I put a little doily. I've stitched along these little things here that I had fussy cut out. And it's really a lot of fun to mix all the different patterns of papers. So I've left all the tags blank because I thought they would be a number of different good things that you could stick inside. You could decorate the inside as well if you were just sending this like as a little pocket of happy mail to someone. But if you wanted to use this in a scrapbook, you could journal inside here. You could put a photo inside. I think this is probably my favorite one. I've got this really fun iridescent butterfly and swan, and then here's two more just fun, cute creations here. So that was a lot of fun to work with. They're really simple sort of project to put together and great little gift to send to a pen pal. The other dies that I had worked with already were these. Now I've used these in two different ways. I've used this little mini heart for the memory decks closure, and I've used these to create an album. So I'll just flip you through here. This is a Crate Paper All Heart album, and it has a binding of ribbon on the ends there. And I really like the way this came together. It will be sent to a pen pal of mine, and it's fun. You could make a little scrapbook album and not decorate all of the pages, but because I'm sending it off to a pen pal, I decorated it all. And here I've got one that is used with the Amy Tangerine Picnic in the Park collection, and it is so fun. I've used paper clips to hold this one together. So if you don't have binder rings, I'm still waiting for my binder rings to arrive that are this size. So if you don't have binder rings, there are so many things that you can use to hold together your album. And I used a piece of acetate on the back to sort of protect it. So that was a sort of fun idea. And then I've also created with these memory decks dies. So I'll show you what it looks like. So this is how you punch out the base of your card, and these are folding doors, and it comes with the die here that fits, you get two of those that fits the inside, and when you fold over your edges it fits both sides. So you cut out 4 different pieces of this kind of paper and it creates this little memory decks. And so I was showing you how I used this to create a closure. I've popped this up on some foam and I've put a little Velcro on the back of the heart. And then inside I have used my rolled flower die, and I just adore this rolled flower. It is really cute. It's nice and small. It's so like flat that I can actually put it inside of this memory deck and it still closes quite fine. So that was really cute. And then you can put your information on the back if you're sending that to a pen pal. And then here is the other one that I have created with the Close to My Heart Blue Skies collection. And the thing that I love about using this heart as a closure for the memory decks is that you can attach a little twine with a charm on the side, so it adds like a whole other layer of texture to your project. And I've stitched all around the edges, and then I've created just a simple inside that says wonderful, and I fussy cut this just from some of the patterned paper. These came from my SCT sampler. I can link that here for you if you're interested in seeing my sampler that I used. It's a really great subscription that I have. So again, I will leave all the information for the In Love Art Shop down below if you are interested in picking up some of these dies yourself. I have a 15% off coupon code that I will also leave in the description box. So I thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.